Hey everyone, this is for a Kyocera 4002i or 5002i, error code C7301, which basically means that the toner supply motor is not functioning properly, or that system of feeding toner going to the developer is not working right. So we'll go through this repair, and this is what I found. Alright, C7301 means that the toner feed motor is not working properly, or that whole system has a problem. So we're going to actually test it. If you can get the machine to reset from that C7301 by turning off and on the power switch, then just to test the motor itself is very simple. Go into the service mode, which is 1087, and we're going to go to maintenance mode 132, and that's supply toner forcefully. And what we're going to do is we're just going to test to see if this toner cartridge is turning. And the way to do that is, let me go ahead and, by the way, if you can't get this toner door open, if it's closed and you need to get this door open, you can do it through the panel if that's turned on, or you can just simply take off this one cover right there. So there's a little spring and this cover right here. So you can open that cover and then pull this lever to the right, or actually to the left, and then the door will open just like that. So now you can see that the toner cartridge is right here. We'll make sure that it's pushed in all the way, that it's engaging with the toner drive gear, and we're actually going to test and see if that toner cartridge turns, which shows that the motor is working okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to cheat the switch in there and see if the motor turns. That white button is the switch. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just quickly make a jig to cheat that interlock switch for that toner door. Just fold up some paper here, and we'll go ahead and cheat the switch. And we'll go ahead and cheat the switch. So when it's done warming up, I'll go ahead and hit start on maintenance mode 132, and that will pull up the supply toner forcefully, and then the execute button here. We click on that and then start, and then we should see, when I hit this button start, we should see the toner motor turn if everything is working properly. And there it is. Toner motor is turning. No loud grinding noises. No hindrances as far as the toner motor cartridge spinning. So I'll go ahead and pull the jig out. I don't want to add more toner when it doesn't need more toner. Go ahead and close this up, and we're going to check something out. Alright, what I've ended up finding is that the black developer unit right here, let's pull this out and place it on a flat surface. So the problem is this black developer unit right here, and this black developer unit is, let's see, can't really see it, but it's DV8550. The new number is DV8560. When I pulled this black developer unit out, this reservoir, and turn my flash on, this reservoir was filled with toner to the top, which it's not supposed to be filled to the top. As toner drops in from the hopper, there's an auger down there, a conveying screw. If everything's working right, it should convey the toner throughout the developer system. So when this drive gear turns, this is what provides drive. This is what provides drive to the whole unit. If you turn this drive gear, you should be able to see the conveying auger turn as well, which it's not. So there is something wrong with the drive gear system here, in between here and the auger on the inside. So there's gears broken, teeth that are broken, or the whole gear is busted off. That's not conveying drive to the bottom auger, and that's what's causing the C7301 code, because it's detecting no toner is being fed, assuming that the toner motor is the problem, but actuality it's a developer unit. So it's DV8550. New number is actually DV8560. That corrects that error code C7301. All right, thanks guys.